Welcome back to Belly Dance class, my beautiful dancer. This is lesson 7 of Shape Up with Belly Dance, where we're toning our bodies and our minds and relaxing and invigorating ourselves as we learn the beautiful art of belly dance. Now, if this is your first time joining us, it'll be a little bit of a challenge. If you don't want that much challenge, go back and do lessons 1 through 6, then come back and join us for this class. I'm Jensuya, this is Bob, and we are going to get warmed up in basic belly dance posture with our feet a couple of inches apart, knees bent, hips tucked forward, abs in and up, chest lifted, shoulders dropped. Deep breath, bend a little more, lift a little more, and play with your weight. Go forward on your toes, back on your heels, bend, tuck, lift. Oh my gosh, this kind of sounds like surgery, doesn't it? Let's have our arms nice and curved here. Now bring them up here, cross the hands. Now look at my shoulders, pull them down, bend, tuck again, bring the arms back if you can. Then from this position, we're going to stand on just one leg, center yourself with the toes. Now lift the toes and balance. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The other foot down. Transfer your weight. Up here. Bend the knee a little more. Tuck, lift. Very nice. Now with our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Crossing in front. Open. And up. Open. And up. And we'll reverse it. Down. And up. Down. And up. Think of really extending and opening. Send the energy out from your heart through your fingertips. Think of your wrists, especially here. Keep them up here. We're going to take one arm down, this one down in snake arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, well, up on one side. 1, 2, 3. Pose Iowa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose Iowa. The other side. 1, 2. How are you doing with those switches? Have you been practicing those in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Back to basic posture. Hold it in the middle. Remember our shoulder rolls? We learned them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to take them out to basic and roll the shoulders there. It'll be a bit of a challenge out here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. If you like this sort of thing, like challenging yourself, can I move just this body part or that body part? Look at our range of motion classes, because that's what we do in detail. Am I on the beat? Are you on the beat? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We kind of have a little snake arm going with that shoulder roll, don't we? Pose Iowa. Level change. Kind of a, what they call it, a contrapposto, sort of a contrast with a quick change but slow arms. Some of the beauty of belly dance. How about this? 1, 2. As if our hands are in water. Keeping nice and lifted, knees bent, abs in. Now, all the way around, slowing at the top. Now listen, down, listening to the rhythm. Down, and up. Very nice, right? Chiftitelli rhythm. Okay, let's warm up. Remember, we learned hip slides. So, feet, knees, hips lifted, keeping the knees nice and bent because we're going to push the hips sideways, sideways. Trying to stay hip bones parallel to the floor with the arms in basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check in with your feet. Are you keeping your feet nice and planted, not letting them roll? Sometimes they'll roll if you're trying to go further than you're able to yet, because you have to have the strength and the flexibility both in the core and the legs and the feet, the shins. This actually works the shins a lot, and the feet. 1, 2, 3. Be sure to stretch afterwards. Always stretch. 3, 4. Singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. For a little cheater, as we learn to isolate that move. Remember, belly dancing is about putting the music on our body and isolating moves so we can move various body parts in different ways at different times and layer. Okay, hip slide. Now, another way we can move those hips is up and down with our double hip drop, right? Remember that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again, the feet are nice and planted. We're not going up on our toes because some people do this, and that's a different move, but a basic double hip drop is with the feet down and using the knees, the hips, the core, not going up on the balls of the feet. We can embellish it that way, but this is what we're learning right now. Toning all of these muscles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, who remembers vertical hip figure of eights? We're going to go up, slide, down, and slide. Hip lift, slide, hip drop, slide other side. Hip lift, slide, hip drop, slide, hip lift, slide, hip drop, slide. Now we're going to combine that and smooth it out. We're going to go kind of scoop it up. We're going to go up and out in 2 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And in singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do the same thing. What we're going to do now, go hip drop, slide, and up. Hip drop, slide, and up. Scooping up 2 beats. Let's start with this hip. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. How are you doing with the timing? It can be very challenging because you have to learn to hear the beat within the rhythm. 3, 4, 1, 2, which takes a lot of practice, breaking it down. If you're into that, check out our music skills playlist here on YouTube. Or if you want to really go further, check out the online class, especially the range of motion and intro to belly dance. We go into that. Now, should we do it in singles? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip, 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 and hip. Oh, woo, good. New move. Large hip circle. Going to be different. Definitely keep the knees bent and the abs in on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to push our knees bent, abs in, hips tucked. Push it all the way to the side. We're going to go side, front, side, and back. See, we're not going up tiny like this, like the small ones. We're going out, front, side, and back from the side. Side, front, side, and back. Ab work, side, front, side, and back. Keep those abs in so that you really support your body in these extended positions. Let's start from that hip. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front, side, and back. Let's do it a little bit faster in 2 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow, wow. Getting a serious workout on this. It can't be quite as big as we went before. Let's do it the other way. Is that a challenge? Oh boy, serious workout. Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. How are we doing? Really working it. Good. How about a little combination? I don't think we've done one of those yet, but we're at lesson 7, so we are making some progress. Let's do a nice slow hip circle and then do a vertical hip figure of 8. So we'll do something like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you think? Actually, that was wrong counting, but basically that's it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, hips, and quick, 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 quick. This hip. 1, 2, all the way around, and hip, 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 and hip. 1, 2, all the way around, and quick, 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 quick. Hip, hip, all the way around. Now this hip. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. How do you like that? A little combination. We're taking a couple of moves and making them into something that you can drop into a song. Okay, wow. Let's do one more move. New move. Oh my goodness, it's called step touch. You may have done it in some of our other classes because we've done it in other tutorials, but basically we're gonna go step, we're gonna touch here and twist, use that to pivot. So we're gonna go step, touch, twist, step, touch, and twist, step, touch, and twist, step, touch, and twist. Here's from the side. Step, touch, and twist, step, touch, twist, step, twist. It happens together. Step, twist. We're doing it in 2 beats. Step, twist. It's keeping the knees bent. Keep the knees bent. Abs in. Step, twist. Now, in terms of that toe going out, it's just a pivot point. All of your weight is on that other bent leg. Step. Think of your hip. Think of your hip. Twist your hip. Think of really a twist. Remember those twists? Let's go back to twists. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this? This is the motion we're doing, but we're doing it just on one leg with the other toes out front. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Step, twist, step, twist the hips, step, twist the hips, step. Should we take it faster just for fun? Step, twist, step, twist, step, and twist, step, and twist. We are working balance, toning legs, toning core. Not your regular cardio workout, because it's not, in most cardio workouts or calisthenics or something, you're just moving fast. But here we're really engaging our brains and very deliberately controlling our muscles. And you can see it works because I'm old and I've been doing this for a long time to stay in shape. I mean, I hike and bike too, but this is the primary thing that I do to keep in shape. So it works. You can do it. Tell me about how it's doing for you. Are you having a good time? And it's so much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is time for the grand finale. We love to end our classes with shimmies. How about a vertical hip shimmy? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Cross our arms, bring them down. Cross our arms, bring them down. What do you think? Should we try snake arms with it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Let's go into shoulder shimmy pose, Isla. Abs up. Okay, shall we throw in a little challenge? Let's do a hip slide, forward and back with it. Forward, back, forward, back. Keep that weight on your supporting leg, other toes on the floor. Abs in, chest lifted, other side. Forward, back, forward, back. Oh my gosh, forward, back, forward, back. Twisting, horizontal hip shimmy. Side, can we do a hip slide on it? Why not try? Hard to do it and keep it looking really smooth. Takes a lot of practice, but that's why we're here. Vertical hip shimmy, and you know the deal. Keep practicing with the 15-minute classes, 5-minute workouts, belly dancer, abs, follow along classes, online school. I want to hear how this is going for you. So write in the comments what you're loving, what you need more work on, what you struggle with. How about a shoulder roll? Masalama, we'll see you on the next class. Habibi.